1, Mosaic number 5, 12 boxes. Go box by box. Main bounty. We'll owe it to you. One of one base of Luca. Hit that card. We'll add 12 boxes. We got to get more. Ship out everything in this stuff. Lowry to 99. Drummond. Lowry. Trier rookie. And then Sexton rookie. Orange of DeRozan, Millsap, Drummond, Trae Young rookie. Maybe a camo. Nice. Bridges to 25 for the Hornets. Burris has been hitting some nice cards today. Comes in late and hits some nice cards. Luca. Bamba rookie. Porzingis in his Dallas. Turner orange. Jaren Jackson green. Grayson Allen red. Might have an auto. Kobe for the Lakers. Butter. Nice hit, Butter. Green of Booker. Bridges red. Brogdon to 49. Trier blue. Sexton rookie. Best player in our league. That's the thing. Most of the autos in this are really good. That's what's good about this stuff. Shea rookie. Orange of Kyrie. Herder green. Kogi blue. Best player in this league. Bagley rookie. Orange of Drummond. Oladipo. Shea blue. I love opening this stuff. There's your first Ayton. Wiggins. Purple. Tim Hardaway. Knox rookie. Sexton. See some gold. Some black. Porter. Giannis. Adams. Wade. Love. LeBron. Waiting to say I see gold. Kid Gilchrist. Love green. Wendell blue. Bomber rookie. Embiid purple. Bagley green. Levert purple. Cantor Holiday. Porter. Porter orange. Nice. Go set. Bridges. Steph. See some camo. Bamba. It's D'Angelo Russell. Got LeBron's jersey number. Steph red. Wendell. Sexton purple. Nice for the Cavs. Kawhi. All right, I see an auto. To tick. Nice. Ooh, it's gold. To 10. Tatum gold auto. Nice hit, Allie. Luka. Second Luka. Purple, it is numbered to 49. Purple, orange, camo are numbered. Kyrie to 99. Knox rookie. It's the halfway point. Pretty solid. Shamit rookie. Lillard purple. Shamit red. Orange of Durant. Carter green. Camo. Nice. Mo Bamba. Camo. Nice card. Wait, was that? Oh, it was Dirk. Wasn't Luka. 5 left. I either see black or I see an auto. I think I see black. Oh, it's a nice one. For the Jazz. Gobert, 1 of 1 black. Your heart stops when you see black. Nice hit for the Jazz. If that was Luca, we had a case. Here's an auto. Zach LaVine for the Bulls. Kawhi blue. Orange of a Kogi. So we got 4 left. Oh, Wheel Z are watching. Nice. Nice hit. See some gold. Orange of Dirk. Another, I don't know. I see an auto or black. 8 and rookie. Shea DiVincenzo for the Bucks. Auto. See purple. Shamit. The wrong Dallas. Purple. LeBron green. Nice. Three left. We'll have more of this stuff next week. Another 8 and rookie. Purple of Buddy. Kuzma. What's up, Payne? 2, 3. We've hit 4 autos. ODB opened the first 4, so I don't know. Bagley rookie. Orange of Rose. Here's another auto. Well, this will be the 5th auto. That's my boy, Mo Bamba for the Magic. Yeah, ODB opened the first 4, so I'm not sure how much it is. First time I'm opening this stuff. Two left. We hit a 1-of-1 base of Gobert. We hit a Kobe auto. Gold auto of Tatum. Those are probably the best 3. Orange of Dragic. Trier green. Kawhi. Kuzma purple. Oh, in 5 cases. Oh, I'm talking about this break. 5 cases. The best hit was probably a Trae Young gold auto. That was probably the best hit. That I know. I don't know what I know. They hit a Luka auto yesterday. Gasol orange. Knox rookie. They hit. I know they had a Porter gold auto. Yeah, gold auto of Trae. But I'm not 100% sure of everything. There's another camo in here. Nurkic camo. Bridges green. Bamba, Rose, purple, Bridges, blue, and the last pack. Porter, orange of Kid Gilchrist. Recap the notables. Yeah, these are on card. Bamba, DiVincenzo, Levine, 1/1 Gobert, Bamba, Camo, gold auto of Tatum, D'Angelo, and a Kobe, and a Bridges Camo. But we don't have any more of this for this week, though. Figure out hit lists. All right, the Jazz, we count that as a hit. Bucks, Magic, Lakers, Bulls. I think that's everyone. I think that might be it. I don't know if we have legs for anything. Unless we line something in the chat. 5. Thunder and Grizzlies. Art and Saul teams. Thank you.